Hi, my name is Stephen McGee and I'm the author of Health Forensics, and we're here to review this experiment that's been going on for some years now. And this is an experiment regarding hoop skirts and crinolines that were worn extensively by ladies in the 1800s during the female hysteria epidemic. And the point of the experiment was to plant two trees, one with the hoop skirt and crinoline and one without, and to watch their growth over a few years. And it's produced quite interesting results. So this is the tree with the hoop skirt and crinoline. It was a hoop skirt the first year, and the second year onwards it was a crinoline, which meant it was connected together with metal wires. And we can take a little look at that. So the first year we had the metal hoops, and they were held together with non-conductive string, and the second year onwards we changed that out for metal wires so that the whole thing functioned as somewhat of a combination of a Faraday cage and an antenna system. So this tree is getting extensive radio frequency fed into it from the hoop skirt. Now this one over here, it's the same age, they were purchased at the same time, and it does not wear a hoop skirt or a crinoline, and it's got very spindly growth compared to the one with the crinoline. And I should mention that if we look all the way out there, about 2,300 feet away behind those trees is a cell phone tower. So these trees have pretty much a direct view out to a cell phone tower, and that's another source of radio frequency exposure for these trees. So they're very, very comparable in height right now. This one was a little bit taller when it first went in, and the big thing I notice is the tree canopy is not very good on this one. And it's about half the size of the tree canopy on the one with the crinoline. And also the trunk is very different. So I'm going to come down here. So there's my hand. So I can just about touch my finger and thumb together on this. Let's have a look at the other trunk. So here's our hoop skirt, and there you go. I cannot get my hand around this trunk. So the trunk is much more well developed on this tree, as is the top of the tree. It's just dense. It's very tall, very dense tree growth that we've got coming up compared to our spindly tree over here. So there was very definite growth differences in this experiment, and that did not surprise me because it has clearly emerged today that radio frequencies fed in to biological organisms has profound effects on their growth, and it's a wide range of effects that can occur. But in this case we got vigorous growth of the tree, including a very fat trunk. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.